I guess if I'm doing a Bachelor video, I should probably beautify myself. I hope that was a cool transition. Hey y'all, welcome back to Maddie Pants. So for this week's video, I am doing what I would pack if I went on The Bachelor. Now, a few months ago, I did a very similar video, kind of like my wardrobe if I went on Bachelor in Paradise. And in that video, I explained I like to watch the Bachelor shows less for the drama and more to see what everyone is wearing. And I watch the Bachelor shows just so I can listen to the Here to Make Friends podcast. Y'all, it is so good. It's like a feminist perspective, and they really explain why we have such a love-hate relationship with these shows. Highly recommend. So because I like watching for the fashion so much, I thought I would do my own little Bachelor fashion experiment. So I watched this entire season and organized some categories of outfits you would need as a Bachelor contestant. So for each category of outfit, I tried on some clothes that I already had, but I'm also gonna include some pieces I found while online shopping. And these are clothes I would buy if I were actually going on the show and had an unlimited budget. This is my fantasy. I can do whatever I want. Okay, let's get into the outfits. So category 1 is the most important. It is your first night dress. This is the dress you're gonna wear when you come out of the limo and the ground is super shiny because they just power washed it 2 seconds ago, so you might slip and fall and die. On this season, the girls wore a range of dresses. You had some girls who literally just wore dresses from Lulu's that were $85. Some girls wore Reformation, and some girls wore full-on prom dresses. Now, my two favorites were Victoria P and Sydney, and they were both wearing Sherri Hill prom dresses. So I went to the Sherri Hill website and I picked out 2 dresses that I thought I'd maybe wear. I did some simpler dresses. I like this red one with the high neck and the back design, but I also really liked this royal blue one. I look good in blue. But I think what I would want to wear is full sequins. I really like Sydney's dress, how she just go big or go home, all sequins. So I also picked out this gold sequin Sherri Hill dress. I mean, it's the first night, might as well. I mean, go big or go home. Now, obviously, I didn't buy either of these dresses, but I did find my old prom dress, and it's gold and sparkly, kind of fits the bill. Now, I wore this dress in 2011, so the last time I put it on was 9 years ago. So obviously, it does not fit me anymore. But I thought I would humor myself and humor all of you by trying it on. You can kind of get the idea of a gold sparkle dress I would wear for night 1 on The Bachelor. All right, moving on to category number 2. So you're gonna need some casual outfits for mild weather. These are looks for the first week when you're still at the mansion, still in LA, and you're probably gonna go on a group date, or maybe you get that one-on-one, but it's all very casual. I really liked McKenna's outfit. She wore some high-waisted jeans and a bodysuit, so I took inspiration from that. From my closet, I'm wearing these high-waisted Abercrombie jeans. I got them on clearance, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to link the exact ones, but I'll link something similar. And also, I'll link whatever I can. So I'm wearing some high-waisted, straight-leg Abercrombie jeans, and then I tried 2 different bodysuits. The first one is from Showpo. It's one shoulder. I don't really love it. But the second one, it's just a Forever 21, white ribbed bodysuit, and I put my white Free People bra under it, and I thought this look was so cute. This was probably my favorite outfit that I put on. So this would definitely be my casual LA cool girl outfit. Oh, also, yes, I'm wearing my hair extensions because, I wanted that Bachelor lady look with long hair. I don't know if that's actually a thing. I just feel like a lot of the girls have long hair. Whatever. So for category number 3, you gotta have your athletic outfit. Every season of The Bachelor, there is the quintessential fitness date. Sometimes there's even 2. This season, some of the girls had to do the Top Gun flight school workout date and a football date. It's a lot of fitness going on. So some girls do wear like expensive Lululemon stuff, but then others just wore like Forever 21 matching sets. So I went with my favorite high-waisted Yogalicious leggings. You can buy them on Amazon for like $25. And then just this like gray Forever 21 crop top. Ideally, I would wear some kind of like colorful leggings and then like a black or gray crop top. That's what I would wear. I picked these two things from Amazon and I think they'd be perfect on the show. Moving on. So category 4 is the pool party date. You know, this happens every season. Chris Harrison comes in and he's like, there's not gonna be a cocktail party before the rose ceremony today because we're having a pool party. Woo! Happens every year. So I just paired my red Target bikini top with a little red headband and these high-waisted jean shorts that I made myself. Honestly, this is exactly what I would wear if I were on TV. It's cute and it's like you're wearing more than just a bikini. It's like you got a whole outfit going on. Moving on. Okay, I'm calling this category your group date after party dresses, but basically they're your cocktail dresses. This is a very important category. You gotta bring a lot of cocktail dresses because you're gonna have a lot of like night dates. So this category doesn't have like too many parameters. You just want to have like, you know, cute cocktail dresses. So I went on Revolve for what felt like hours just finding like cute dress after cute dress. I noticed this season there were a lot of like jewel tone dresses. So I tried to include some of those, especially because they look really good when you're in the more like tropical destinations. I picked 2 dresses from my closet. One is from Red Dress Boutique. It's just this like plain little black dress. It's a little more grown up than the other one. I also pulled out this black dress from Forever 21 that has these like gold buckle details. It's a little like funkier. So maybe you wear that on like a group date party and then you wear like the more sophisticated one for maybe your like one-on-one night portion. I don't know. I found a lot of cute ones on Revolve. So just like you had your mild weather LA dates, you're probably gonna have some dates in a very warm tropical climate. So you're gonna need your casual warm weather outfits. These are things like sundresses, skirts and crop tops and jean shorts, rompers, pretty basic stuff. And these are outfits you can wear on group dates, one-on-ones, maybe your hometown is a little warmer climate. So this is another big range of clothes. I'm wearing this skirt from Shein that I think I got in my Bachelor in Paradise haul, and just this little like crop top from Amazon. They look cute together, but it's not like the perfect outfit. I actually really like this snakeskin skirt that Hannah Ann is wearing in one of the episodes, and I found some other cute like white crop tops that you could pair together. Very simple stuff. But just like you're gonna go to warm destinations, you're probably gonna get some colder places in there. So you're gonna need your casual cold weather outfits. So for your cold weather option, most of the girls wear jeans, some type of sweater, and like a leather jacket. And if it's really cold, a scarf. So that's the outfit I'm rocking here. The same Abercrombie jeans, this gray sweater that I've had for 5 ever, and this like caramel colored leather jacket that I thrifted a long time ago. So I'll include some other jacket options down below. I'm not like married to my outfit, but it is like a good like standard of what the women wear. If I were going on the show, I'd probably buy a new faux leather jacket. This outfit is also really good if your like hometown is a little chillier. Moving on, I think we're on like category 8 now, but this is a very, very important category. It is your rose ceremony dresses. Now you can kind of like pull from your cocktail dresses too to wear to a rose ceremony, but I'm gonna call this category the elevated cocktail dress category. A lot of the women are wearing like midi dresses, not like super short ones. A lot of them are wearing like silk, like slinky dresses. That was very popular this season. And there's a lot of jumpsuits. We love a good jumpsuit moment. This was another category where I spent a good chunk of time just shopping on Revolve, scrolling through all the dresses. It is so funny that they had that Revolve date this season because a lot of these women do get like gifted clothes from Revolve. They're leaf blowing outside. We love apartment life where they're leaf blowing. Earl has just been sleeping here this whole time. Don't bite me. All right, I'm sorry if you hear leaf blowing. We're just gonna have to continue. Ugh. So from my closet, I just pulled this like pink satin Grecian looking dress. I actually bought this from Amazon and I wore it in my glow up video, which is like one of my first videos ever. It's not exactly like the slinky look that most of the women wear, but I thought it was, you know, pretty comparable. I say elevated cocktail dress because rose ceremonies are important. That's why you're getting a rose from your bachelor. So that is the time to wear a slightly fancier dress. You know what also is the time to wear a fancy dress? Is your one-on-one evening date. Now, one-on-ones are pretty important because like you only get like 2 max. You don't get that many one-on-ones. So you want to look good for your night portion. So like this is in the same vein as rose ceremonies. You want to wear a nice like elevated dress. I really liked this blue one from NBT. Honestly, this might be one that I would wear on the first night getting out of the limo. And then the last category I'm going to include is your dress for women tell all. Now for me, I would wear like a statement dress because if you're on women tell all, that means you were voted off. Voted off. It's not Survivor. The lead didn't pick you. So you gotta come with your A game. Like, look at what you're missing out on. So the one that I picked has kind of like a power suit vibe going on. I actually really like what Victoria F wore. It was shorts and a jacket, but it seemed very like a business lady. And that is all the categories I'm including because if you make it up to the final 2, you usually do get styled for like your final rose ceremony. I'm pretty sure like the show will provide you with your like final dress. And that is what I would wear if I went on The Bachelor. Shall we do a what did we learn today? I learned that I don't own a lot of the clothes that they wear on The Bachelor. Maybe I should get rid of a lot of my clothes and reinvest in my wardrobe. But then again, I'm not going on the show, so I hope this video was entertaining. I don't see a lot of videos like this talking about Bachelor fashion on YouTube, so hopefully you found me and you like Bachelor fashion content. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and please tell me which dress you would wear on the first night. I'm so intrigued. Or tell me which like mini cocktail dress is your favorite because I found a lot of them. Please consider subscribing and maybe I'll make another video. To subscribe, you just have to hit the little red subscribe button and click the bell if you want to be notified every time I make a video. Okay, bye. Where'd my kitties go? Chai, are you still in here? Chai! You're such a weirdo, Chai. Okay, bye! You laying on my computer, squirrel? Just the whole bed and the computer is what you choose to lay on. Also, I am still really self-conscious about these extensions. You know, from far away they look okay, so we're gonna roll with that.